So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here. So we'll be learning Python in this series. আমি একটি পাইথনের সিরিজ তৈরি করতে যাচ্ছি যেখানে আমি পাইথনের A to Z নিয়ে আলোচনা করব. So I'll be teaching you how to write code in Python. So I have chosen Python because it is one of the most powerful languages out there, and world's top programmer use this as their programming language, and a lot of their programs are written in Python. So if you go to find a job in programming, most of the job circular will have Python at the first position. I think everyone should learn Python, and Python is so easy. That's why I chose this for the first video series. So guys, let's go start the video, and please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to notify about the after videos. So this one will be an introduction videos and download Python and PyCharm and written a simple code here. So let's go. So let's start. We need Python in our computer. So let's go to our browser and type Python and go to this first link, download here. Then click on this yellow button and start your download. I will not start this because I already have Python installed in my computer. So after installation this, we need an IDE, a text editor. I'll be using PyCharm. I highly recommend PyCharm because I will be writing my all programs in PyCharm. So go to browser and write PyCharm download and go to the first link and go to this community version because this is the free one and this is the paid version. So click on download. So I have Python installed and Python installed in my computer, so I will close this. So after installing Python and PyCharm, we will write our first code in Python. So let's go write our first program in PyCharm. Let's open PyCharm. After opening PyCharm, we need to create a new project. Click here and give a name to your project. I will give a demo and click here create. It will create a project for us. After creating the project, go to project and right click here. Go to new and Python file. Name of the first file, I will give it first. Enter. It will create first.py. py is the extension for Python. Now we will write our first code. I'll write a simple traditional language code which is print hello world. It's a traditional code for every language. Now how do we run this? We go to run, then select the file which we want to run. Click here and look in our console, it's written here hello world. So that's mean our file ran successfully. So guys, if you have this same hello world here, that means you have written your first program in Python. So congratulations for your first program. So this was for today's video. So tomorrow we will learn many syntax of Python. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care.